In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mouse scrolling not working in Firefox 110. If your mouse wheel has suddenly stopped scrolling in Mozilla Firefox 110, while it continues to work normally in other applications, there are several things you can check to get it working again. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a few common settings and troubleshooting methods that can help restore scrolling functionality in Firefox. Start by completely closing Firefox and then opening it again. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches that may be preventing the browser from responding correctly to your mouse input. Once Firefox has reopened, visit a few different websites to see if scrolling has started working again. If the issue continues, open the Firefox menu in the upper right corner of the browser and select Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Accessibility section. Make sure the option called Use Auto-Scrolling is enabled. You can also verify that smooth scrolling is turned on. While smooth scrolling isn't required for the mouse wheel to function, checking these options helps ensure your scrolling preferences are configured correctly. Next, test whether the problem is caused by an extension. Open the Firefox menu, select Help, and then choose Troubleshoot mode. Confirm that you want to restart Firefox in Troubleshoot mode. This temporarily disables extensions and customizations without removing them. After Firefox opens again, try using your mouse wheel. If scrolling works in this mode, one of your extensions is likely causing the problem. Restart Firefox normally and disable your extensions one at a time until you identify the one responsible. If scrolling still doesn't work, you can refresh Firefox's advanced preferences. Type About Config into the address bar and press Enter. Accept the warning if it appears, then search for the preference named mousewheel.default.del.multisolve. If it has been modified, use the Reset option to restore its default value. You can also search for other mouse wheel-related preferences and reset any that have been changed unintentionally. Another thing to check is whether Firefox is fully updated. Open the Firefox menu, select Help, and then choose About Firefox. The browser will automatically check for available updates. If an update is found, allow it to complete and restart Firefox when prompted. Browser updates often include bug fixes that can resolve input and scrolling issues. Finally, if none of these methods solve the problem, try testing your mouse in another browser. If scrolling also fails there, the issue may be related to the mouse itself or its software rather than Firefox. Those are the most effective ways to fix mouse scrolling not working in Firefox 110. In most cases, checking your browser settings, testing in troubleshoot mode, and resetting modified preferences will resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,